everyone, I have a quiz for you. Do you know what type of bear is the rarest, the smallest, and also the most arboreal species in the world? It is the Malayan sun bear, or called beruang matahari in Malay. So we are here to visit the Malayan sun bear in Zoo Negara. The scientific name of Malayan sun bear is Helactus malayanus, and it is from the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, and the class of Mammalia. We managed to witness the morning feeding session for the sunbears by the zookeeper. It was honestly intriguing, and we wanted to know more about the sunbear's diet. Therefore, we asked the zookeeper for a quick interview on the sunbear. Sekarang kita bersama dengan salah seorang petugas penjaga haiwan di Zoo Negara. Okey, boleh tak Encik bagi tahu apa diet sunbear ni sebenarnya?
Nama saya Nur Azman bin Mustafa. Saya kerja di zoo dah 10 tahun. Saya baru lagi jaga di section bear ni. Biasa rutin harian dia, diorang akan bagi dia makan buah pisang, betik, and then kobis dengan kacang panjang. Lepas tu roti lah, kita ada taruh roti, tapi daripada segi macam madu ni kita jarang bagilah, seminggu 2 kali kan.
Kenapa jarang bagi madu?
Sebab madu ni kan benda yang manis. Benda biar kalau boleh natural kan. Maksudnya benda yang makanan dia selalu makan lah dekat hutan pun. Jadi madu ni kita bagi tapi jarang-jarang lah. Kita jaga juga diet dia.
Saja, terima kasih.
The sunbear is native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Its range is bound by the northeastern India to the north and extends south to Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos and Vietnam, to Brunei, Indonesia and Malaysia to the south. Its presence in China was confirmed when it was first sighted in Yinjiang County of Yunnan Province. However, it is already extinct in Singapore.
Let me tell you about the importance of sunbear to the ecosystem. Sunbear plays a vital role in its ecosystem, particularly in the tropical forests. Here are some of its ecological roles. First, sunbear can help in seed dispersal because sunbear are omnivores and they eat variety of fruits. So as they travel and defecate across a large area, they will help in seed dispersal. Also, at the same time, it will help in forest regeneration. The second one is sunbear also can help to control the pests because sunbear also eat insects, especially like ants, beetles, and also termites. So they can control the pest population. That if it's not being controlled, it can damage the plant and trees. This makes them important for in maintaining the health of forest ecosystem. The sunbear also can help in nutrient cycling. When the sunbear digs the ground to forage for insect, it will enhance the nutrient cycling because it aerates the soil. And this will enhance the soil fertility and help plants to grow.
So, did you guys know that sunbear population has been decreased about 30% in the last 30 years? So, what has this poor bear has been through is habitat loss due to deforestation for agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development. So, these bears seem hardly to find their home and food. And next, there will be as a pet threat. It is because we know that sunbear is the smallest and very cute. So their cub will be catched and their mother will be killed so that they will be kept in the small cage and will be sold out. So next, sunbear is hunted for their bulk and paws that can be considered as a valuable and expensive delicacy. So they will be using for traditional medicine in Southeast Asia.
Hello. Yeah, I know our sunbears are cute, but now let's focus on a more serious topic. I know you must have thought, aren't there any actions taken to conserve our beloved sunbears? Well, of course there are. For example, here in Sunegara, they have raised a few fundraising campaigns for our sunbears. Besides that, we also have the BSBCC, which is the Bornean Sunbear Conservation Center. They are currently a home to 43 rescued sunbears and 1 captive born. So the real question is, are these actions successful? Okay, so let me explain. So this rehabilitation program, which is happened to be in Malaysian Borneo, cares for sunbears, which was rescued from captivity and the pet trade and had been released back into the wild since 2015, since it's their original habitat. But with threats in the wild continuing unabated, this success has been mixed. A recent study indicates that as few as half of the released bears are still alive. This shows that rehabilitation alone will never be enough to tackle the enormous threats and conservation issues facing the bears in the wild. Preventing bears from being poached from the wild in the first place should be the top priority. So, in my opinion, this is not successful and we need to do better.
Now, as we all know, the Bordeaux Sunbear Conservation Center, or BSBCC for short, has been making a positive impact on the species of sunbear itself. Now, I have a few improvements that can be made into the conservation center. One is introducing a breeding captive program for the sunbears. The birth rates of the sunbears are 1 or 3 cubs per litter. So it might not be that much, but maybe in a few decades, the populations of sunbear could go from endangered to a normal species in Malaysia.
The second thing that I would like to propose is to collect the genetic materials of the sun bear to be stored in the frozen zoo, in which are the sperm cell of the male sun bear and the egg cell of the female sun bear. This could act as the last resort to revitalize the population of sun bears had they gone extinct in the distant future.
That's the end of our biodiversity awareness video. Hope you like it and